Hi, welcome to this video. So I will share with you one of my YouTube channel that I created this month, okay? And the channel is made me around on my first month made around $1,500, okay? So the CPM is right now at the moment only $29, and this CPM will increase twice this month, okay? I know exactly because the channel start on around 20, 25, or maybe 14 on RPM and in 62 on CPM, okay? And this channel, when I started this channel, I started in September 1, I think so. And you can see here right now I'm at $60, 175, 81, okay? And this channel is making me around right now at the moment is making me a good amount, okay? You can see, and yeah, this is the CPM of the channel, okay? You can see here when I started the channel made me around $200, okay, in a single day, and starting try to get momentum in the channel, and right now is making around $300, okay, and they will increase day after day. So this channels is almost 1 month old, okay? I created this channel on September 1, August 27, and I got monetized and started posting video on September, and I will show you exactly how to get monetized in less than 1 week, or how you can get monetized in less than 2 days. So if you really need to join on this, okay, click this link and get access here, okay? So this will be available only for 5 people, as I mentioned before, and I will give you access to this course, okay? I will give you access to this course. This course costs almost $1,000, and no one, I think so, you can't afford to pay this. So I will give you access to everything, and I will show you my method and how I make money online with YouTube. And I take the money and I invest on cryptocurrency, and you'll understand exactly how I make money for free. This is the first is my fourth channel, okay? And in less than 1 month starting make me around $1,500. Okay, thanks. I will see you inside.